In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export SVG from a Figma design. We'll walk through the whole process step by step, so even if you're new to Figma, you'll be able to follow along easily and get a clean SVG file at the end. First, go ahead and log into your Figma account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see all your recent files and projects. From here, click on the design file that contains the element you want to export as an SVG. This will open the file in the Figma editor. Inside the editor, decide what you actually want to export. This can be an icon, a logo, a button, or any other vector layer. You can select it directly on the canvas by clicking on it, or you can find it in the Layers panel on the left side of the screen and click it there. Either way, once the layer is selected, its details will appear in the Properties panel on the right side. Now, look over to that right-hand panel and scroll down until you see the section labeled Export. This is where all of Figma's export options live. To create a new export setting for your selected layer, click the small plus icon on the right side of the export section. As soon as you do that, Figma will add a new export row. You'll see a field for scale, usually set to 1x by default. Since we're exporting as an SVG, you don't need to worry about changing that. SVG files are vector-based, so they can scale to any size without losing quality, and Figma disables scale editing for this format. Next, move to the drop-down menu on the right side of that export row. By default, it might say PNG or JPG, depending on your last export. Click that drop-down, and from the list of formats, choose SVG. This tells Figma that you want to export this layer as a vector SVG file. Once you've set the format to SVG, you're ready to export. Click the button that says Export, followed by the name of your layer. Figma will quickly prepare the file and your browser should automatically start downloading it. When the download is complete, open your computer's Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files, and you'll find your new SVG ready to use in your project. And that's it. You've successfully exported an SVG from your Figma design.